Here's a mistake that trips up even experienced developers: using here when you need having, or vice versa. Get this wrong and your query either breaks or scans way more data than it needs to. The key difference is timing and target. Here filters individual rows before any grouping happens. It looks at each row in your table and decides whether to include it. Having, on the other hand, filters groups after group by has already combined rows. It operates on the aggregated results, not the original rows. This leads to the second critical distinction. Having works with aggregate functions like cont, sum, avg, max, and min. Here cannot reference these aggregates because they don't exist yet when here runs. If you try to use cont or sum in a here clause, you'll get an error. Having is specifically designed to filter based on these calculated values. Let's see this in practice. Say you want to find customers who've placed more than 5 orders. You'd write, select customer ID, cont star as order count from orders group by customer ID having cont star greater than 5. Notice the having clause with the aggregate cont. You couldn't use here because here can't evaluate cont star. It would fail before grouping even starts. Understanding execution order helps clarify this. SQL processes here first, filtering rows. Then it runs group by to create groups. Finally, having filters those groups. This also impacts performance. Using here when possible is preferred because it reduces the dataset before the expensive grouping operation. Only use having when you need to filter on aggregate results. Remember, here filters rows before grouping, having filters groups after aggregation. Master this distinction and you'll write cleaner, faster SQL. Keep practicing and good luck with your interview. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.